Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. So I had a package arrive and I'm going to open it right now. It is from the lovely Doris from Cottage Studio. I'll have her link below. Hi Doris. Doris and I are doing Vlogmas this year. It's where we send 25 gifts to each other and we open them one a day from December 1st to December 25th. So I've never done Vlogmas before. I've thought about it and I never ever got around to asking anybody to do it. And then Doris asked me to do it this year and I'm so excited. So excited. I love shopping for other people. I love it. All right, so she sent me this package and I will show you what's in it. I haven't even looked myself. But I know some things that she said she was putting in here. Aha! Okay. It's bubble wrapped. Gotta save the bubble wrap. Okay. Alright, so let me see. I can't get any. Oh, it's a bag. Is that a bubble wrap bag? You're probably thinking, well, show us. Oh, it's a bubble wrap bag. That is cool. Okay. This is very nice. I knew she was sending bags. And we will put a gift in these bags. And send all 25 gifts to her in a box. I'm so excited. So these are really cute bags. Some of my gifts I got for you already won't fit in these bags. Anyway, so these are the bags. So isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay, and then, oh, look at, oh, I'm going to show you the bags. They're so cute. Oh, look at this. Look at this little gingerbread man. So cute. Okay, am I going to go through all of these? Would you like to see them all? Like, where did you get these? Oh, dear. Oh, something popped out of the middle. Okay, I'll get to that in a second. These are wreaths and bells. So pretty. Oh, look at their little reindeer. So cute. And they say Merry Christmas. Okay, so those are all the bags. And thank you for that, Doris. And then stickers. Aren't these cute? There's 3 sheets of stickers. And they go with the bags. So cute. So there's, I guess there's 25 bags. I didn't count them. Or I don't know. And then this. Let me just unwrap this. Ah, yes. These are the wooden numbers. Number 1 to number 25. So we just tie these on the bags somehow. And then we open them according to what number. Like December 1st all the way to December 25th, Christmas Day. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Thank you so much for sending these bags and numbers and stickers. You did not have to do that. You did not have to do that. But that is so sweet. Doris is such a sweetheart. If you don't know Doris at Rose Cottage Studio, I'll have her link below. And she is, oh my goodness, she is such an amazing crafter. She crochets, she makes quilts, she does diamond paintings. Oh, there's just so many things. She's a stained glass artist. I mean, amazing, amazing. And she's so sweet, so wonderful. huge supporter of the Yarny community. And like she does special little things like this. You're just so sweet. So sweet. All right, thank you so much, Doris, and thank you everyone for watching. And I hope you'll join Doris and I Christmas time. I'm so excited because I've never done a Vlogmas. It'll be so much fun. Yeah. So yeah, check her out. She's awesome. And thank you so much, everyone, for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.